Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ben and I'm thrilled to have you here with me today. Today I have conducted a thorough analysis of all four plans offered by Hostinger, and I have gained a clear understanding of the advantages and the drawbacks of each plan, as well as who they are most suitable for. But before we dive into that, I have an exciting offer for you that can benefit you without paying me a dime. Let's take a look. If you're into blogging, SEO, affiliate marketing, or simply interested in learning how I personally built and sold some of my affiliate websites, this is for you. Plus, if you're looking for a 1 hour fun consultation with me to boost your business, you're in luck. I've got a game-changing offer that will take your online work to the next level. To learn more about how this can help you, visit bensexperience.com/offer, link in the description. Or jump to the last chapter of this video called Offer to hear me or see me explain each bonus and how it can help you. The best part, you won't have to pay me anything for this offer content that is valued at $200 or more than $200 plus the 1 hour phone consultation with me. I genuinely believe it can benefit you no matter how big or small your goals are. So, I highly recommend checking out this offer. It's a fantastic opportunity to enhance your online journey. Now, let's get the video started. Now that you've known a little bit about my amazing offer, let's jump into the details of each hosting plan, starting with the basic one. In the single web hosting plan, there is one advantage and three drawbacks. The only advantage of this plan is its lower price compared to the others. However, there is a catch that I'll explain in a moment. The first drawback is that you can only create one website. Additionally, you don't get a free domain or domain who is privacy protection, which allows you to hide your identity as the owner of your website. The biggest drawback, which is harder to think of, is the pricing structure. So, the advertised price of $1.99 per month is only applicable if you opt for the 48-month subscription. For the 12-month subscription, the price becomes $2.99 per month, which is the same as the premium web hosting plan for a year, 2 years, or a 4-year subscription. So if you are considering a yearly subscription, there is no reason to choose the single web hosting plan because you can get a better deal for the same price. With that in mind, I recommend the single web hosting plan for people with a single website only if they opt for the 4 years subscription. Moving on to the premium web hosting plan, things get much better. Before I continue, I want to clarify that in this video, I will only discuss the important differences between plans. To know also about the non-important differences, please check the comparison table yourself. The first advantage of the premium web hosting plan is that you can have multiple websites, up to 100. Additionally, you get a free domain and domain who is privacy protection. As for the drawbacks, there is no free CDN or manual backups. CDN technology works by replicating your website's files on multiple servers located in various locations worldwide to enhance your site speed by connecting visitors to the server nearest to their location. Considering these factors, I recommend the premium web hosting plan for people on a budget who own or are willing to create starter sites with limited traffic. Between the premium web hosting plan and the business one, the main difference lies in terms of power. The business web hosting plan offers three features that are not available in the premium plan. Firstly, you can experience up to 5 times increased performance. Secondly, you have daily automatic backups instead of weekly ones. And you also have the ability to create backups manually, which are called on-demand backup. With these added features, I recommend the business web hosting plan for people with multiple websites that receive some traffic daily. Now let's move on to the cloud startup hosting plan, where things reach the top. This plan comes with some remarkable advantages. Firstly, you can experience a performance increase of up to 10 times. Secondly, you get a dedicated IP address. And finally, you have a priority support. Based on my experience with a premium web hosting plan that does not have a priority support, I usually wait between 5 to 15 minutes to connect with an agent through live chat. For me, waiting for customer support from Hostinger for an extended period is not a significant issue because I rarely require their assistance. For the dedicated IP address, having it can provide several benefits. The first benefit is that it can improve your email deliverability. It also makes it easier to access your site using an IP address rather than a domain name. It also helps you avoid negative SEO impacts with Google due to the bad reputation of other shady websites that share the same IP address. Lastly, it opens the door for advanced hosting configurations such as setting up your VPN or hosting a game server. With these important advantages, I recommend the Cloud Startup Hosting Plan for serious website owners who value their time and are willing to invest in a premium hosting solution. Before I wrap up this video, there's one crucial point we need to discuss: Hostinger's pricing tiers. Understanding this will empower you to make an informed decision and secure the best hosting plan for your needs. So let's dive right in. As you can see from this comparison, the pricing structures or tiers vary across the different hosting plans. If you have a single website and your primary goal is to minimize hosting costs, I recommend opting for the single web hosting plan with a 48-month subscription. This particular plan and subscription length offers the lowest price per month, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious individuals. Now, let's discuss hosting multiple websites on a budget. In such cases, the premium web hosting plan becomes an attractive choice. Whether you opt for a 12, 24, or a 48-month subscription, the monthly price remains consistent across these durations. If your budget is limited, the 12-month subscription may be the best fit for you. On the other hand, if you value long-term stability and want to avoid renewals at higher prices, the 48-month subscription provides peace of mind. And there you have it. Although we haven't gone into the details of the other two plans, I believe you now have a solid understanding of how to secure the best deal for your specific hosting requirements. As mentioned previously, this offer includes several valuable bonuses. Firstly, you will receive the current resources which have a value of over $200. Additionally, you will have the opportunity to schedule a 1-hour phone consultation with me to enhance your online business. Moreover, as new resources are added in the future, you will also gain access to them. The best part is you won't have to pay me anything for these bonuses. What you are paying me with is using my affiliate link when you are getting a tool or service you are interested in and I recommend. By doing so, I will receive a commission without any extra cost for you. Without any further ado, let me explain each bonus and how it can help you. The first resource is an ebook that's called The Link Magnet Formula. I highly recommend website owners to have this ebook because it will highly help you get organic traffic from search engines. Before I dive into this, what this ebook is about, let me give you my background. I have experience of more than 10 years in SEO. I worked as an SEO specialist in an insurance company and also as a head of SEO in a marketing agency. I also have websites or affiliate websites with mainly traffic from search engines. And the best of that, let me show you three websites, not mine, that are using exactly this technique and see their organic traffic chart. I don't want to reveal the exact strategy here, but what I can say is that this strategy does not require email outreach, buying any tool, and it's totally Google approved. The second resource is an ebook where I share three of my stories. It can, with time, I can update this resource to have other stories. The first story is how I started an affiliate website from zero to $440 per month. Then how I sold it for 3,000, almost 4,000. The second story is about how I sold one of my failed websites, which has just 16 articles for $800. The story number three is how I live off of internet of affiliate marketing for years. The next resource is an ebook that's called The Rule Book of Blogging Success. In this ebook, I will start with the pillars of blogging. Then I will move to traffic generation, writing, and list building. If with this volume of information your productivity dropped as a blogger or website owner, I have another resource for you. It's called From Overwhelmed to Organized. I recommend you this little ebook because it shares advices shared by some productive bloggers. The next resource is an ebook and not a tool. It's called Headline Generator Pro. This is a list of formulas that will help you brainstorm your catchy titles, and this is some sneak peek of these formulas. The Failing Blog Revival Guide. If with all the tactics and strategies shared before your blog still failing, I created this ebook that will help you focus on what matters in order to revive your blog. It's an interesting or a very interesting ebook. This section called In the Pipeline is where I share a sneak peek or where I give you a sneak peek of resources that I am thinking of adding in the future. Of course, having access to these bonuses now means you will also get access to the added resources when released in the future. That's all for this explanation. I hope you understand it well. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Now, the only step standing between you and accessing all of these valuable resources is making a purchase of one of my recommended tools or services at no extra cost to you and email me proof of your purchase.